Ladies and gentlemen, if you would spare a minute, please make your way up by the tent, up by the front. We're going to have the members of the Myers Color Guard present the colors. Gentlemen. Yes.
Hey. Boy, there, 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 right there, 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 right there, 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 left, right there. Shoot. All right, go. Right. Present her.
Oh, say, can you see by the dawn's early light what so proudly we hail at the twilight's last gleaming, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we've watched were so gallantly gleaming, and the rockets' red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave for the land of the free and the home of the brave.
Yay!
President Sherritt.
Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you, American Legion. Thank you, everybody, for being here on such a beautiful day. Dawn, thank you very much. And you know, there's so many people here that makes this possible. You, the car people, if it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be here, okay? But on a personal note, I have my right arm here, my Vice President, Bruce, his lovely wife, Dawn. We have our directors like Dan Knight, we have Mike Shera, we have Gary, and we also have Vern up at the registration table. The woman, the lovely lady of my life, our First Lady, Renee. And you know, there's so many people, I shouldn't be naming names because I'll never catch everybody. Even Bobby G over here, our cameraman. And none of this would be possible with all you people and these people that help, and they make me look good, okay? But they do all the work. And thank you all so very much. And as you know, we are a non-for-profit organization. And all of our proceeds go to the needy, either families or organizations. And at this time, I have a $1,000 check I would like to present to the American Legion Memorial Fund. And with that, I would like to turn the microphone over to our Vice President, Bruce.
Ladies and gentlemen, we were going to have our 9/11 memorial remembrance, but we got rained out. So we're doing it right now. So in remembrance of all the lives that were lost on that brutal attack on our country, we'd like to keep them all in our hearts and minds right now. Please honor us with the playing of taps.
Present home. Point home. Left face. Now left arm. Left, 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 right.
Ladies and gentlemen, a big round of applause for our American Legion. Thank you so much. Thank you. Back to our car show. We got the 50-50s up here. President John, are we ready to have a party?
Vice President Bruce, you're damn right we're ready.
Who's gonna tell you when it's too late? Who's gonna tell you things aren't so great? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong. What who's gonna drive you home tonight? Who's gonna pick you up when you fall? Who's gonna hang it up when you call? Who's gonna pay attention to your dreams? Yeah, who's gonna plug their ears when you scream? You can't go on thinking nothing's wrong.